Alright, go tell Youngboy we ready to start the video.
Hey, keep that. Say that. Hey, old bitch ass nigga. Yeah, you know what it is with me. Bitch, I'm on my way home. All that loud mouth nigga, we gon' catch you. When I catch you, gon' see what it is. Bitch, you know what it is. Murder gang. Yeah, AI Youngboy, look. Bitch, nigga, my ship never sinking.
17 years old, nigga know I'm having it. All day, every day, I be on that savage shit. Catch a nigga down bad, I'ma send him. Give a whole extra money for a run. Star always tell me I'm that nigga. Be in conversation always about killing. Had to learn how to not have feelings. My heart never let a bitch steal it. I never
Nigga steal me. I feel like my homeboy tryna get me. Damn, young boy, what you think? Nigga hopped out with the hitting, they be mama house with the hitting back and they left one hanging. Nigga would've died, but the two start jamming. Said she was pregnant, she said she was cramping. 612 amp, hold up, nigga, I'm amping. Spent a lot of money, what the fuck, goddamn it. Do no talking and on no phone. Talking to me. I been going through some shit all alone, yeah. Big that's my nigga. These niggas some hoes on film. Kiss them down, baby, don't kill them. Whole lot of runs in the sprung. You know Big B, that's my nigga. These niggas some hoes on film. We catch them down, baby, gon' kill them. Whole lot of runs in the sprung.